Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you Samsung Galaxy 5G smartphone full specifications and price in Bangladesh. So let's get start the video. Launch date announced 2022 March 17th, status coming soon. EXP release 2022 April 22nd in Bangladesh. It's a 5G phone. Speed HSPA 42 2/5.76 megabits per second LTAA. The price of the Samsung Galaxy A73 5G is 50,000 taka. In this phone, body dimensions 163.7 by 76.1 by 7.6 millimeters, weight 181 grams, 6.38 ounces. Single SIM, nano SIM, or dual SIM, nano SIM, dual standby. This phone has IP67 dust, water resistant, up to 1 meter for 30 minutes. In this phone, display type Super AMOLED plus capacitive touchscreen, 16 colors, size 6.7 inches, 108.4 square centimeters, tilt 87.0% screen to body ratio, resolution 1080 by 2400 pixels, 20:9:3 ppi density, multi-touch features 120 Hz.
Operating System OS Android 12, One UI 4.1. Chipset No idea. CPU octa-core 2.4 GHz or 1.8 GHz. GPU No idea. Memory card slot microSD dedicated slot, internal 128 to 156 of a gigabyte RAM 6/8 of a gigabyte. Sound alert types vibration, MP3, WAV ringtones loudspeaker yes, with stereo speakers. Primary main camera 108 MP, f1.8, wide, OIS 12 MP, f2.2, ultrawide 5 MP, f2.4, macro 5 MP, f2.4, depth, video 4K at 30 1080p at 3060 gyro eyes secondary camera 32 MP, f2.2, 26mm wide, video 4K at 30 Battery type non-removable LiPo. Battery capacity 5000 mAh. USB Type-C 2.0 fast charging 25W. If you like the video, be sure to like, comment, share and subscribe to see the next video.